Hi guys! Welcome to Zipnayan. In this video ay tutuloy natin yung series natin on composition of functions. No? So tuloy pa rin yung practice natin. I suggest na kung first time nyo nanood dito sa series natin, if this is your first video, mas maganda na panoorin nyo yung first part natin dito sa series na to. No? Para mas maintindihan nyo yung flow, maintindihan nyo yung concepts. Okay, so here we have two functions. We have f of x equals x squared minus 5x plus 6 and g of x equals 3x minus 4. By the way guys, hindi naman kailangan f and g palagi. Pwede namang ibang pangalan, for example, p at saka q. Pwede naman. No? So nakasanayan lang natin palagi yung f and g no, pag function. Anyway, so we have f of g of 4. Ano yung value nito? So pag meron ganito, kagaya ng ginawa natin sa previous video, unahin muna natin yung nasa inner. No? What is g of 4? No? So g of 4, dito tayo, g of 4, we have g of 4 is equal to 3. No? Pag nag-g of 4 tayo dito, ibig sabihin lahat ng x dito sa expression na ito, papalitan natin ng 4. So 3x becomes 3 times 4, di ba? Minus 4, which is equal to 12 minus 4, which is equal to 8. So yan yung ating g of 4. Na pag nakuha na natin yung g of 4, alam na natin yung input natin sa f, no? So ang g of 4, pwede ko nang palitan ng 8, di ba? Kasi equal naman sila. So yung f of g of 4 becomes f of 8, di ba? Kasi nakuha na natin yung value ng g of 4. So ano na ngayon yung f of 8? Dito naman ako magsa-substitute. Lahat naman ng x dito, kasi dito yung function na f natin, di ba? Function f. Lahat naman ng x dito, papalitan ko lang ng 8. So that's equal, ang f of 8 is equal to 8 squared, no? Minus 5 times 8, and then I have a plus 6 here. Plus 6. So this is equal to 64 minus 40 plus 6. This is, ilan yan? 24? 24 plus 6, which is equal to 30. So ang f of 8 ko ay 30. F of 8. Meaning, ang f of g of 4 ko is equal to 30. No? Okay, what about f of g of x? So notice na yung g of x ay nasa loob, meaning itong g of x natin yun na magiging input natin. Papalitan natin ng 3x minus 4 lahat ng x dito. So lahat ng x dito, itong x na to at ito, papalitan natin yan ng g of x, which is 3x minus 4. So, papalitan natin yan. Papalitan natin to. Okay? So, f of g of x is equal to, yung x, papalitan natin 3x minus 4. 3x minus 4 squared minus 5 times, yung x, papalitan natin ito, 3x minus 4. And then I have a plus 6 here. Okay, so simplifying, we have 9x squared minus 24x plus 16, and then minus 5 times 3 is 15x, and then plus 20, and then plus 6. So this is equal to 9x squared minus 24 tsaka minus 15, that's minus 39x. Then I have a plus 16 plus 20, that's 36 plus 36, and then plus 6 plus 42. Okay, sana tama tayo, sana ito lang kamali. So this is f of g of x. Now notice that dito, kinuha natin yung f of g of 4. So malalaman natin, pag nag-f of g of 4 tayo, dapat, pwede natin siya i-substitute dito. Dapat yung magiging sagot natin dyan ay 30. Check natin. No. Patay tayo dito pag nagkamali tayo. 9 times 4 squared minus 39 times 4 plus 42. So this should be, dapat 30 yung sagot natin. Dapat pareho siya dito, di ba? Kasi we're looking for f of g of 4. So 9 times 16 minus, what's 39 times 4? 120 tsaka 36. 156 plus 42. Tama ba? 120 tsaka 36, 156. Tama. 9 times 16, this is 90 at saka 54. It's 144 minus 156 plus 32. So this is equal to 42. 42. Ang 144 minus 156, this is negative, di ba? 6 minus 4 is 2. 5 minus 4 is 1. This is negative 12 plus 42. Oy, tama naman tayo. So f of g of 4 equals 30. Therefore, tama tayo. Sasagot natin dito. Okay, so ibig sabihin, ano ibig sabihin itong example na ito? Ibig sabihin, you can do the two steps, no? First, you get g of 4 bago mo siya i-input dun sa f. O kaya, you just get the function, no? Yung general formula. And then, later mo na i-substitute. Kung marami tayong given na ganito, what is f of g of 4? What is f of g of 1? What is f of g of 0? Mas maganda na ito na kasi isa na lang yung isang beses ka na lang magsa-substitute. Although na in this case, medyo malaki siya. Pero ibig sabihin, isa lang yung isusolve mo. Dito kasi dalawa eh. You have to get first g of 4 and then you substitute. Yung input mo naman yung magiging g of 4 dito. So, dalawang equations yung isusolve mo. Dalawa yung medyo matagal siya. No? Anyway, you can choose your own solution. Depende naman yan sa inyo. Unless, of course, nare-require ng teacher, no? Na kailangan gamitin nyo ito or ito. So, depende sa kanila. You have to know both solutions and you have to understand the concepts behind it. No? Okay, so siguro we'll have more examples in the next videos. So, abang-abang lang kayo. Bago tayo mag-end, gusto ko kayong invite sa ating YouTube channel, youtube.com/user/zip9ph and our Facebook page, facebook.com/zip9ph. Of course, you can also visit our website at zip9.com.